Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop Olymp ads on Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are encountering persistent advertisement from the Olymp app on your Android device, what you can do is first simply head over and open up your Google Chrome. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on the three dot icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the right and you'll find the option that says settings. Simply once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then find the option that says privacy and security. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do, scroll down and tap on content settings. And once you're inside your content settings, you'll find an option that says block pop-ups. Simply tap on this and toggle it on to simply stop Olymp ads on Android. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like, give it a date, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.